Well, I guess I should confess that I am starting to get old. All the latest music fans will pass me by and left me cold. All my friends are talking slang, I won't pretend to understand. All my friends are getting married, mortgages and pension plans. And it's obvious my angry adolescent days are done. I'm happy and I'm settled in the person I've become. But that doesn't mean I'm settled up and sitting out the game. Time may change a lot, but some things they stay the same. And I won't sit down, I won't shut up, and most of all I will not grow up. I won't sit down, I won't shut up, and most of all I will not grow up. All maturity's a wrapped up package deal, so it seems. Like ditching teenage fantasy means ditching all your dreams. All your friends and peers and family suddenly tell you you will have to grow up, be an adult, yeah, be bored and unfulfilled. Oh, but no one's yet explained to me exactly what's so great about saving 50 years away on something that you hate, or about meekly shuffling down the path of mediocrity. That's your road, then take it, but it's not the road for me. I won't sit down, I won't shut up, and most of all I will not grow up. I won't sit down, I won't shut up, and most of all I will not grow up. And if all you ever do in your life is just photos synthesize, you deserve every hour of your sleepless night that you waste wondering when you're gonna die. I'll play, you sing, the perfect way for the evening to begin. I'll play, and you sing, the perfect way for the evening to begin. And I won't sit down, I won't shut up, and most of all I will not grow up. And I won't sit down, and I won't shut up, and most of all I will not grow up.
I won't sit up.
You can't show that to the world.
Oh my gosh!
Did you steal my capo?
My capo.
The capo that was on the end of my guitar.
Yes. I did. And I played vehicles and animals.
What song is that?
Zombie.
What's face down? I don't know.
That's all bar chords, isn't it?
In it.
Hate the bar chord.
D sharp or something.
Hey, don't you know you drive me crazy? One hook is the rhythm in my head. She's had it all. Fun song.
Keep bleeding, keep freezing, keep
Oh, what's that? Oh. Oh no, I know it's D. D. That's deep freezing. Close up from the sea, I didn't eat a bit. Oh no, shit. Maybe it's also minor chord.
This is amazing.
I didn't eat the bait. No, I really can't. That was a quality parody. Can I stop? Yeah, sure.
Star Trek is on.
Star Trek is what?
On.
Star Trek is awesome.
That's my hand. Dale, what do you fear the most in the world?
What do I want?
Fear the most in the world. Trapped in a lift.
Probably smaller than a lift.
Trapped in a broom closet.
Probably smaller than a broom closet.
Trapped
Like a clock.
in that stove just there.
Well, I don't think it's
Well, you said small. What do you love most in the world? And what makes you laugh? Trigonometry. What's in your pocket?
Not a lot actually. I usually a lighter in my phone.
That's boring.
Yeah, I normally have back here my wallet and everything. It's just
Silly. Oh, Hazel.
Hi.
What do you fear most in the world?
Being in like a room with a really fat version of Jeremy Kyle and a really fat version of Oprah Winfrey, and they're having sex. Like, the room has no roof though, so they're like having sex and they are the roof, and they're like falling down with each thrust to come and squish me.
That's really horrid. What do you love most in the world?
AIDS. No, not really. I love lamp. The most in the world.
What makes you laugh?
Unfortunate people.
Failure.
Failing.
And being old and lonely.
Sex. It's funny because you're a virgin.
Music.
It's not. I was joking. That'd be a long time. What makes you laugh?
What makes you laugh?
The word poo.
Poo. Definitely poo.
You love triangles the most?
No, not the most.